This tutorial will show you how you can use BOFAclassroom to pre-record a lesson and then allow pupils to view it at your chosen time. I'll show you how to play a lesson back and also how to share a link to your lesson with someone else. All BOFAclassroom lessons are recorded as standard to keep staff and students safe. Usually, you'll create a lesson to teach pupils live by inviting them to a lesson in your My Lessons list. Lessons you have already taught will have a finished button next to them. A lesson finishes either when the end time has been reached or when a teacher or tutor manually ends it from inside. As well as inviting pupils to a live lesson, you may want to teach your lessons in advance for pupils to watch at another time. This will allow you to bulk record lessons when your schedule allows and means pupils can play back a lesson anytime they wish. It will also mean any absent pupils can catch up on a lesson. When logged in as a school or tutor, you'll see your lessons, both upcoming and completed, listed under the Lessons tab. In the corner of this page, you'll see a button that takes you to the Manage Lessons page. If you're teaching lessons for pupils to view at a later date, you need to create a lesson in the same way you would for a live lesson. Once you've taught your lesson, you'll be able to end it from inside. It will then appear in your completed lesson list. Next to each completed lesson, there is a View Lesson button. This page has lots of useful options for you. You can edit the lesson name, description, and upload resources for pupils to be able to download via the Edit Lesson button. You can watch back your recording by selecting the View Recording button. If you want a lesson you have pre-recorded to be available to view by pupils, you need to choose Show Recording. This will allow pupils to play back your lesson at any time. Pupils can view a completed lesson by clicking View Lesson and then view the recording. You can turn off this option by clicking Hide Recording, and you'll see the lesson is no longer available for a pupil to view. As well as these features, you'll also see there is a link to your lesson which you can pass on to share your lessons with others. You can go back to your lessons using this button here.